Worldwide in the bayou.
Ooh, that Worldwide Bayou came in there and took everybody out. Hey, Mr. Worldwide Bayou, 700 weed killer waving.
Hey, weed killer, you just tell Alabama come right with the bayou too there. 837, come up in your seat again, we go.
Hey, you know you can. You got it that way today, 837. You got it that way today, buddy. Sounding good up here in the Buckeye. Hey, check there, 837. Hey, Mr. Black Swan, with that real bassy audio there. 700 waving.
Well, you got Indiana and you got them all.
That's that 601 Black Swan. Mr. 601. You sounded good up here in the Buckeye. There's a couple units out there yelling for the Buckeye State. If you got a copy on this old weed killer, come on back.
Hey, 620. Hey, 289. You tell Black Swan or Blackberry do all these hello. Hey, 289. You tell old Black Swan or Blackberry do all these weed this way. I know you're Mississippi. You pay that fine to old Black Swan in Mississippi. Blackberry do all these. Got it up. Sounds good until I put this doggone thing back.